of this word of the day is only one thing is in my mind, that I wanted to give my mentees a feeling, that feeling which they are going to keep it lifetime. Today, as you all know, that it's the last session and we have to be very, very positive. Now, what are the things which make us positive? When we see a beautiful rose, a smiling picture, innocent face of the child, or any such thing which is giving us pleasure, it's giving positivity. If we want to do work in a more positive way, we need to have this feeling that we have to keep ourselves very, very positive. Try to keep yourself busy in reading good research articles or book. There were various books which I have learned, and one of the book which I always remember is of Rhonda Byrne's Secret, in which she has beautifully caricatured and she has told that what are the things which we have to keep ourselves in a positive mode. She has given various strategies, various tips, but as an individual, we all have to follow it. The moment we are going to follow it up, of course, it's required a lot of practice, because sometimes when we are dull, sometimes when we are not in a good mood, sometimes when the things are not at the proper level, then all positivity going in vain. So to keep ourselves positive, we have to keep this thing in mind, that we are going to practice this, practice 24/7. Then only we are going to acquire this. So this is the reason why I chose this: positive minds, positive vibes, and positive life. Now coming next to our word of the day, and this is candescent. Glowing from great heat. You might have learned earlier, but I wanted to use it more and more, and I also recommend to my mentees to use it in your day-to-day life. Let's put our hands together to invite our first keynote speaker, DTM Sanjay Rawat sir. And little brief introduction: he's working as a lead reliability engineer in Madan Aluminium. He's the past president of JTC in 2021 and awarded as Best President of the Year by Division L. Division L conference there in 2020-2021, second runner-up in evaluation contest, and currently now he's serving as area director.
Thank you, Speechcraft Coordinator Toastmaster Nilofer ma'am, for such a wonderful words about me. So, Speechcraft Coordinator, speech crafters, assignees, DTM Ubaid, and guests. A warm good afternoon to one and all. So in all my Toastmaster career, the one thing which makes me nervous and which makes me more confident is the one skill, that is the table topic. Impromptu speech is just the speech without any prior notification or without any prior information or without any prior preparation. Whenever someone is giving the table topic, instead of their own speech, they are more bothered about the audience, that what the audience will think about. So these kind of the audience perception makes the speaker more conscious, and that's why they have the more nervousness during the speech. You cannot prepare any advanced preparation for the impromptu. Once you listen the topic, don't start immediately. Master is giving you 10 to 15 seconds of the time to think about whatever the first idea comes in your mind. Go with that. The most important thing is that you have to speak logically. Support your opening statement with the personal example if possible. If not possible, go with the generalized table topic is nothing else. It's a mini speech itself. If you don't have any idea, start with the greeting. You can make a surprising statement. You can create a suspense or curiosity. Don't bring any new idea in the conclusion part. You have to just repeat the key points of the two examples you have given in your speech and provide the takeaway message. Summarize your main points, give the takeaway message. This is the best conclusion in the table. Next critical point in the table topic is the time management. With maximum 50 words, you can very easily conclude your topic. There are few more strategies which I want to share with you. The first strategy is the PREP, P-R-E-P. It means that point, reason, example, and the point reinstated. Use one strategy, practice it more frequently, then you will be comfortable. If you want to master the table topic, the mantra is think for a while. Take 10 seconds for the preparation. Start with a smile. If you don't know any opening, start with the greeting. Walk in style means your body language should be positive and you should stay with the open shoulder. Last one is conclude with a missile. It means that always give the takeaway message. So if you follow these simple steps, I'm sure that all of you will be a confident table topic master, not only in the Speechcraft program or the Toastmaster program, anywhere in the life, you will be a confident person.
You have dealt it in such a way that next time when we are going to deal with table topic, we are having these all things in mind, all the topics and all the detailed tips which you have given. So thanks Atan.
That how we have to describe the picture, on what basis?
Understand the theme of the picture, then you can very easily speak about for the next 2 minutes. Adopt the story and narrate. It happens to the story. The audience will connect it easily. Very, very easy.
Also, we got lots and lots of tips, which is very, very helpful, not only for me, but for my mentor. So without wasting a minute, I'm just going to call my dear friend, Toastmaster Kriti Darji. Very colorful one. She is going to bring up more energy, more vibrance, more positivity with her table topic session. So please put your hands together to welcome my dear friend Kriti. The floor is all yours.
Thank you so much, Madam Toastmaster of the day. When you are joyful, when you say yes to life and have fun and project positivity all around you, you become a sun in the center of every constellation. And people want to be near you. That's the magic of positivity. The topic is what makes you smile. Chandravadini.
Yeah, what makes you smile? Right now I'm doing that with no reason. I like to put on my smile all the time. So to show how happy I am and to spread the happiness to everyone.
What do you want most? Positive life or progressive life? Madam Toastmaster, Sajida.
So in our life, we come across many situations or incidents or many events, or mostly we call everything we come across are not in our hands, actually. But as per our interest, as per me, I prefer positive life than progressive life. So we have to think positive, be positive, live positive. Thank you.
Would you break the law to save a loved one? Madam Toastmaster, Prashit.
Definitely, I'll break the law, because for me, the loved one is more important than a law. When I'm happy is when I am with my loved one and I'm feeling good with the loved one. So definitely, I'll favor that one with that.
What is your two needs for positive life? Madam Toastmaster, Rohini.
The two needs for me for having a positive life are courage and belief. I had many sufferings and many tough times in life when I was totally broken down. It was all about my believing power in myself that I have succeeded. I won the first prize. This made me a very inspirational person from my friends. They learned the lesson that we must never give up, have hope in ourselves, and always move on with courage.
So thank you so much, Kriti. Really, a big thanks. And now I would like to invite Sanjay sir to give his insightful evaluation on my mentees' table topic session.
Her topic was what makes you smile. So the first thing is that Madam has not utilized the 10 to 15 seconds of the preparation time. Okay. So she comes with a personal story. Excellent example. The same thing I told in the presentation. But the mistake here is she did not elaborate the story. Never ever repeat the whole topic again. No need to repeat. Choose the positive line. So this is the very good way she did that. She go with the positive line, go with the loved ones instead of the long. So you have taken the one side of the question. Then give any example. Last speaker was youth leader Rohini. Her question was, what is the 2 needs for positive? So wonderfully, even though she did not take the 10 to 15 seconds of the preparation time, but she understand the question very well, and immediately she replied the question. What is the 2 positive needs? She replied the question, courage and belief. And after the second good point is that she start with the personal story. She failed 4 times in the general knowledge test. She comes up with 2 points. She gives the personal story. She gives the elaboration. It's a wonderful example of the table topic to be delivered. Generalize the takeaway message. But apart from that, Rohini, you have attempted the wonderful table topic. Not only Rohini, all our 4 table topic speakers, you did a great job.
The experience which you have brought up today, I think that all my mentees and even me, we all are so much benefited, and we all are going to keep and utilize this experience in our future. So thank you so much. Other than Ubaidur Rahman sir, the great DTM, is in MCOM from Mumbai University. He cleared it, and he was working as a logistic specialist. He has passed Area 69 director, taken up different roles in Divisional and District 79 conferences earlier, and he is working in Jubal since 2000. So put your hand together, dear mentees, to welcome our great DTM Ubaidur Rahman sir, and today he is going to enlighten us on the workshop International Speech. So please sir, most welcome.
Thanks a lot Toastmaster Nilofer for the fabulous and elevating introduction of mine. I congratulate you for taking up this challenge, and this you're creating an opportunity for your fellow teachers and friends and known person and unknown persons to introduce the Toastmasters to all of them. This is you deserve a big, huge round of applause and a congratulations for this. With the slide, first slide, yes.
Yes, sir.
Your precious time here, but I will straight away walk on and say, public speaking is the process of speaking to group of people in a structured and thoughtful manner intended to inform, influence, or entertain the listeners. For achieving this, we need good ingredients, means good topic, a theme, and a key content. 600 words in your speech. Stand in front of the mirror and read out loudly with good expressions and modulation of the voice. Information what you are imparting should be implemented by them, used by them. It should be enjoyable as well. The facts and figures should be correct. Try to include humor in whatever speech you are going to deliver, a line or two. This will relieve the tension, and try to convince with the message what you are going to deliver through your speech. Signal the end of your speech. Your message should remain with them. Takeaway should be, pinching them, hitting them, their minds for a long time to come. So you have to brief this to that contest master or the anchor of that event. In Toastmasters, only international speech is the contest which is done at a world level.
Whatever you have told, whatever strategies and tips which you have elaborated, it's going to be very, very beneficial for all of us. Such an intuitive and informative session you took it, and I'm sure my mentees have noted down, and they are going to take all the messages or all the strategies which Ubaid sir given us today. Thank you so much, international speech. If we are working on it, surely we have to know this basic detailings. We are going to know about the basic detailings. We are not going to craft a good speech. To craft a good speech, we should be known by the novice, or I can say by the speech craft mentees. Now, dearies, shall we start our educational session with our international speech? And before that, I would like to invite Iham Akil to just throw light on.
Good afternoon, dear leaders. Myself, Iham Akil as timer. For international speech, 5 minutes I will show green card, 6 minutes I will show yellow card, 7 minutes I will show red card. For international speech evaluation, 1 minute I will show green card, 2 minutes I will show yellow card, and at 3 minutes I will show red card. For grammarian report, it is up to 3 minutes. 2 minutes I will show green card, 2 minutes 30 seconds I will show yellow card, and at 3 minutes I will show red card. For our counter report, it is up to 2 minutes I will show red card. Thank you.
Thanks, Iham. Now I would like to call our first international speaker about Dr. Lubna Khalil, an enthusiastic class teacher in JPS, a very kind and modest person and favorite among her students.
It is gratitude that brings us happiness. Not an action only, it is also positive emotion that serves a biological purpose. It is a deeper appreciation for someone or something that produce longer lasting positivity. So I made a habit to be grateful every day, and I am following it from last few years.
Great speech. You have taught us the art of gratitude. Our second international speaker, Mrs. Fatima, a very classic and stylish teacher who managed her class students so well that every time parents complimented for using her innovative teaching methodologies in her class.
A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms. Comparison is the thief of joy, attributed by President Theodore Roosevelt, which provokes a powerful sentiment that can be life-changing. If we compare ourselves to others, we be left with feelings of inferiority or superiority. Neither creates an emotionally healthy human being. Don't worry, I have created a technique which can be used by anyone, anywhere. I will call this as happy technique. Happiness in your life, enjoyment and show to those who are in your life.
Frustrating feeling which when I made you feel, why couldn't people be really good, truthful, honest, thankful, and more helpful? I have felt that more than a few times in my life. And an individual's life success is not only by the number of degrees he or she attains, but the degree of humanitarian activities that an individual is on a day-to-day basis. Intelligence building is important, but character building is the root. Let's nurture those character roots strongly in our developmental years and let the humanity in us canvascent beautifully, touching so many lives.
So much, dear Samira. It was really, really insightful and full of tons of loaded with teachings. First evaluator, let's proceed.
Miss Lubna Khalil's speech was excellent. Most of the time, we will take everything in a pessimistic way. We are doing like that. We should change our attitude. We will become a good, and at least we can enjoy our life.
Thanks a lot, dear Prasita. Really, it's an honest feedback upon our second evaluator. So everyone knew Shajida. She is so very kind, and she is one of the great teacher of IS Jubel.
Toastmaster Fatimatu Zora, your quote was awesome, and it exactly fit to your topic comparison. A flower doesn't think to compete, it just blooms. And I felt a small recommendation from my side that first time should be a little low.
Thanks a lot, dear Shajida. That is so kind of third evaluator. come on the virtual platform.
Yes, our speaker today, Samira, enlightened us on the very, very important topic, humanity. Being human is given, but keeping our humanity is a choice. She has enlightened us with a story. We all must cultivate this habit of humanity in us. So it's a great speech, Samira. Yes, and she concluded it well.
Honest and good feedback. Definitely, Samira is going to take up this thing and she is going to improvise herself. Request IHAM to give the report.
For table topics, Chandra ma'am took 1 minute 28 seconds. Sandhya ma'am took 1 minute 34 seconds. Prasida ma'am took 2 minutes 1 second. And Gavalier Rohini took 1 minute 43 seconds. For table topic evaluation, Sanjay sir took 7 minutes 51 seconds. For international speech, Lubna ma'am took 6 minutes. Fatima ma'am took 8 minutes 10 seconds. Samira ma'am took 5 minutes 6 seconds. For international speech evaluation, Prasita ma'am took 1 minute 35 seconds. Shazida ma'am took 1 minute 22 seconds. And Chandra ma'am took 2 minutes 29 seconds.
Thank you so much. You did a fantabulous work. You have minutely observed and reported. So thank you so much. All are qualified. So much. My grammarian report today is going to be very, very short and crispy. Say that all my international speech speakers, my evaluators, my guests, everyone, all the table topic speakers, they all used theme of the day. They tried their level best. They have used word of the day, Candescent also in their language. The great success of today's, I must say, the speech craft last session. And again, because this is not the last. This is the beginning. And the beginning of what? Your Toastmaster journey. With this very bright hope, I must say that you all have to be very, very positive. And just a small suggestion, try to use books. The more you use books, the more it's good for you. So if you want to have a peaceful mind, your effect in your life, try to delve yourself in the books. So with this positive note, I would just like to conclude. But one thing is still there, and that is our counter report. So my dear Gavalier Rohini.
Toastmaster Nilofer used 11 hours. Toastmaster Kriti used 4 hours. Toastmaster Chandra Vadani used 6 hours, 14 hours. Toastmaster Shazida used 3 hours and 1 filler word but.
Thank you so much, Rohini. Thank you so much for such a detailed one. Our counter job is not at all easy. So please give her a big round of applause. She has to be minutely saying since beginning till end. And then only she is in a position to note down that how many hours, and how many flaws and how many positive mind. Our session is full of positivity. Not a flossy, nosy, hilly-pillification, I must say. It's that great event in which we have utilized our quality time in enlightening ourselves.
Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to have given this opportunity. Help us to, overcome this fear.
Thank you so much for motivating and giving the positivity.
Not only positivity, even though it's a small session, short course, crash course, through this journey, we have learned many things. How to write the speech, what are the contents we have to make it, body, introduction, how we have to form everything. Now we are sure that we can form a speech easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yay!
Double thumbs up.
Happy.
Yes, very happy.